teaching you some simple Scratch skills. So we're using Emmy's computer, so she'll be doing all the coding. So clap your hands for Emmy. Say hi, Emmy.
Hi. Zoe's just coming along. Well, she can help code if she wants to.
Yeah, so we're going to be teaching you, should we do the name thing?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I guess. But first, make sure to follow Emmy Zoe on Scratch and Zoe Flower on Scratch.
I'm not that good. Emmy's awesome, but
You're great.
I don't post a lot.
So first things first, if you don't want this sprite, the starting cat, it always starts like this, like exactly like how it was before. Then you see this trash button.
Trash it.
You trash it.
Okay, so we're gonna be doing the name thing.
And to choose another sprite, do you see this? It's called a sprite character. You see this like cat thing. So here you can choose a sprite. Here you can paint a sprite. Here you can get a surprise, and here you can upload a picture that you have.
Yeah, but it's really hard to draw. So I recommend just like choosing it. If you're a beginner, then just choose it. Definitely. So Emmy's going to be doing this name thing. So when you tap on a letter, then it changes its color.
Let's pretend our name is Earn. I'm just going to do E, actually. And you can do it with you can keep doing it with the rest of the code. But first things first, I have to teach them how to use it.
Yeah.
So here, there's a bunch of different things you can do. Animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, and fashion.
And of course we're going to be choosing letters because we need letters. So click on the letters.
There's a bunch of different letters. Which one do you want to click on? What do you say, Zoe?
Well, we can do
3D? The sticker one?
I like the glowies.
These ones?
Glowies.
Okay.
They're called glows. E, okay.
I'm going to do E for our letter. And here, you see this? You can change the name first. Let's change it to E.
And you can also change the size to see the
thing. Just do the different sizes. Let's see 1. Oh no, too small. Oh, the max size is 7. The minimum size is 7.
So let's say about like
about this much. Oh, the max size is 700. That's a bit too big, don't you think?
Yeah, let's do like
500.
500?
It's a little bit too big. 450.
450. Perfect.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. You can do it smaller. Like you can keep it at the normal size. It's okay.
So this is the motion thing. If you want to see, you can make it move 10 steps. Click on it. Let's make it go back. But first things first, you can't do this. These are the events. You have to start with one of these. So like if you press the start button, you see that's how you start your project. Then let's make it. These are from extra coding. I'll just do this for now.
Yeah.
Let's make it.
Piano. Okay. So guys, yeah. And what do you think we should name this thing? We can't just call it the name thing. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this has a name already, but tell us in the comments if we can do that. Tell us what we should name it, like if we ever do this again. Okay, guys,
see, we're almost done. Let's see.
So this is just extra stuff, music. So we're gonna teach you how to do like changing the colors. Like in a sec.
See, so when you press this, you see what I coded here? You can drag the things that it says if you want it to do that.
Yeah, but we'll teach you how to do this music thing in another video, or you can just copy this and know how to do it.
We'll let you give you some seconds to copy this, or you can pause the video. Well, okay. Let's, if you're on Scratch, of course, but anyway. Look, it'll do that.
Yeah. So guys, shall we start changing the color of an E?
We don't need this anymore.
Yeah. So to delete it, just push it back there. That deletes it.
So let's see. When the sprite is clicked?
Yeah, because we needed to click it and then it changed colors. So yeah.
Then switch to costume. Nah, we don't need new costumes. It will say, nah, we don't need it to say something. What do we need?
For it to change colors. So what should we do?
Change color effects. You can do different things. Oh, set color effect. Wow.
Explore Scratch. Choose whatever you want. What will we be doing though?
Now let's do forever. There, in these control blocks, you can do wait 1 second, repeat, forever, and a bunch of different things. Let's try forever now. This is just beginning of coding. If you want us to do another how to code Scratch on intermediate, and subscribe if you want us to do an advanced and intermediate. Okay, let's see what it does if we click it now.
Make sure, guys, to copy this down so you can do this.
Well, that's a bit too fast. There isn't too many colors. We should try one. Let's see what it does now. Cool.
But the popping sound is a bit fast, but
maybe if we can do another if sprite clicked. If the sprite is clicked, let's play pop and wait 1 second.
Yeah, that will make it shorter. And you guys can make it even slower if you're doing the same thing. So
See, now do this.
Test out 5 seconds or 2 seconds. Perfect.
But don't you want another sound that's not a pop?
Yeah. So guys, go to sounds. Go to sounds. And click on that.
You can record or you can surprise. Let's do surprise. Let's do this. That doesn't exactly fit.
Yeah. So let's do a shorter sound.
No.
Well, this
Good.
Well, it's a song, like. Okay, but I like it. Okay, guys, let's do this. You guys can do whatever song you like. This is just what we're doing. Okay.
Now wait 1 second.
So what do we click, Emmy?
Play that sound till done. Let's see what we do now.
I like it. What do you guys think? Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you want us to do a different music for like a different project.
Okay. Oh, but I don't like how it's a white background, Zoe. Oh, let's choose a backdrop. You see this button? You can choose a backdrop.
Okay.
Let's choose a random one again. That was fun.
Yeah. And just so you know, guys, you can actually paint a background too. If you click on the paint brush.
I'm not feeling fridge right now.
Well,
maybe.
Let's just test out the others.
Nah.
Well, guys, what do
Space.
you guys
Cool.
think? We like this one. You guys can explore other backgrounds too.
Now let's click it.
Cool. So you guys can do your whole name in this, but we just did one letter to show you. So make sure you've copied down all the code, so you know. Oh yeah, and you can name it too, and press share to share it.
We're not going to share it right now, but as you can see, yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye guys.